Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget. Xiaomi launched Mi Pocket Speaker 2 yesterday in India on a special occasion of the World Music Day. And today in this video, I will show you a quick hands-on of the speaker. So let's do the unboxing and find out more about this mini speaker. We ordered the speaker last night only and I was surprised to receive it just few hours back. So full marks to Xiaomi for quick delivery. Now about the speaker, the price of the speaker is Rs 1499, but it was an offer yesterday and we got 150 rupees cash back. So here is the box. So apart from the speaker box, we also got this free gift from Xiaomi. So in the front of the box we have the speaker picture, and by the way it's available in black and white, and the one we have here is in the white color. At the back of the box we have the box content info and the price, which is Rs 1499. You can also see that the speaker got the design award in 2016. Basically, this speaker was available for quite some time, but it was launched in India yesterday only. So let's open the box and see what we have here. So on the top we have the speaker itself. And my initial impression about the speaker, that it's quite small and lightweight. Let's keep it aside and see what else we have here. In the box we also get the user guide, which has the instruction on how to pair the speaker. And it also has a technical specification of the speaker. And for all those who are interested, here is the technical specification. This speaker is made up of polycarbonate and ABS material, and on the top we have this ring which is made up of aluminium. The build quality is actually very good and it does feel premium. Even though it's not a smart speaker, but comparing it with Google Home Mini and Alexa, this mini speaker will look good on your desk. So here we have the charging port, which is micro USB, and you would need to use your own cable to charge it. In the front of the speaker we have the LED light to let you know when it is paired and on. And on the top we have the speaker grill, which is also the power button, and then we have the ring to adjust the volume. So overall I find the Mi Pocket Speaker 2 premium and it has a modern design. Now let's pair this speaker to the phone and see how is the sound quality. Pairing is simple and you just need to press the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on. You will see a blinking blue LED light, which means it's ready to pair.
Connected successfully.
It's connected to the phone. Now let's play some music. Okay, so first thing I noticed that the volume is not that loud. I know the size is small, but I have other small size speaker and I personally find the volume of the Mi Pocket Speaker 2 little low. I also faced one more issue where sometimes I was getting this crackling sound from the speaker, for which I have spoken to the customer care team, and they assured me I'll be getting the replacement in couple of days. Let's see how it goes. Overall, I find the sound output of the speaker has some bass in it, and apart from the intermittent crackling sound I was getting, the clarity of the speaker is really not that bad. And about the battery backup, it has a 1200 mAh battery, which Xiaomi says that it should give you 7 hours of playback time, which I will test it more and let you guys know in few days. So here is a question, is it worth buying the Mi Pocket Speaker 2? So as the name suggests that it's a pocket speaker, so it's definitely portable, and you can take this anywhere with you. Design is very good, so does the build quality, so no complaints there. But about the sound output, I'm not really that happy with the overall performance. It's not that loud and the 5-watt speaker is just about enough for a small room. But keeping in mind the price, which is 1500 rupees, I would not recommend you to buy this speaker. And if you're in the market to buy a good Bluetooth speaker, there are so many options in this price range. And I would suggest you to go for the Mi Basic 2, which offers good sound output, and by paying little bit extra, you'll be getting much better sound output. And if you want to check our review of the Mi Basic 2, I will leave the link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the quick hands-on of the Mi Pocket Speaker 2. So how did you find this mini pocket speaker from Xiaomi? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.